Hi everybody, we are here on the bus and this is going to Mama's house. We're gonna have a little vacation since this is All Saints Day and vacation from school. Just boys is so excited to see Mama and Daddy do and the rest of the family. So Daniel, would you like to say hi to everybody? Hey, would you like to say hi?
Hi everybody, we're going to the Manan and we're going to see big teacher because he's going to have a bike for him.
Don't speak when your mouth is full. How about you, Daniel? What would you like to say? Daniel, he's busy eating. He's hungry because both of them woke up very early because they're just so excited. So just give me a smile, Daniel. Yay! Hi everyone. Alright, I'll show you later when we get off the bus, and then we are going to have trike after this and pedicab to get to Mama's house. Alright everyone, see you later. Hi boys, what are you doing there? Why are you hungry? Why?
Because the auntie would not let me get some peanut.
You have to say nicely, Ate, can I buy peanut? You have to shout if Ate cannot hear you. Daniel, why are you hungry?
No, that's not.
Just ask.
No, the one he
Daniel, you have to ask Ate nicely. Ate, please, can I buy some peanut?
From my brother.
Yes.
But the auntie didn't do
You call Ate again. Alright, they're both angry because the Ate vendor of peanut just run away because someone is calling her to buy some peanut. Anyway, I'll show you more videos later. This is how the bus going. There's not a lot of people yet, so we have to wait to make it full before we go. That's our auntie boy. Say hi, auntie boy. See you in a bit. Hi again everyone. We get off on the bus now. We're here in San Isidro and the boys is so excited to see Mama and Daddy and everyone and the family. Michael, where are we now? Is it? What's the name of this place? Daniel, would you like to say hi? They're tired and been very hot in the bus, so we are in San Isidro. I'll keep you updated in a minute when we stop to Libanon Central. Alright, see you in a bit. Give me a wave. Is that your wave? Alright everybody. That's San Isidro. It's a little bit cloudy and it's raining earlier, so Hi everybody, we are here in Mama's house now. Look at that. Michael is so excited and we forget already to take a video. Now it's just telling me, do it quick, mommy. Make it short. Alright, say to everyone you are here. Look at that miserable face. Okay, that's it now. I'm just showing everybody the farm And Michael's pet, Auntie Melon's baby. Auntie Melon's is a Fernan. And yeah, this is our beloved town. This is so lovely. Look at that. Look at that beautiful green trees and the plants. Alright everyone, I'll share some video again later or tomorrow, telling you what the kids doing. For now, they're busy with the baby inside and to everybody. Alright, bye now. Here we are again. The boys is playing with Murphy. That's his pet in here in Mama's house. Michael, say hi. Hi everyone.
Hi everybody. We're taking Murphy into Limanan. We're here to Limanan and it's the next day of October 1.
October 1? October is
No.
November.
November 1.
1. Very
Where's
good.
he going? Where's he going? Say hi, Daniel.
Say hi. Daniel, say hi to everyone. On the camera. Are you happy, Michael?
Yes.
Careful.
I'm petting the Murphy.
The pet. Careful, Daniel.
Hey, the Murphy doesn't like you. Uncle Kala, Murphy likes you. Murphy.
Careful, Michael. Don't hurt him.
Manay, matabaon si classmate mo si Sir.
Daniel, pet him.
This is Uncle Carl. Look at the uncle. He's very busy.
Murphy, Uncle Kala, pet Murphy. Watch this, Uncle.
Slowly, Daniel.
He's eating Michael's bed. Mommy, watch.
Is he behaving?
Yes, but look at this lovely dog. Look.
Careful, Daniel.
Mommy, know that Murphy. You know Murphy did?
What?
He eat Michael's bed. Mommy, look.
Just don't hurt him, okay? So he'll be fine with you. Ask him, Murphy, did you eat?
Murphy, did you eat spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti pati.
He said he did.
Yeah.
Ask him, what's your food?
Murphy. Murphy. He's playing with us.
Ba't mahulog ba yan?
I'm in the Watch, Mommy. Oh.